Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Soft Brush is probably one of the most essential grooming tools for any horse owner, playing a crucial role in maintaining your equine companion's coat health and overall well-being, ensuring they look and feel their absolute best after every grooming session. This brush is designed to gently remove dirt, debris, and loose hair without irritating the skin, making it ideal for horses with sensitive skin or those who are easily spooked by rougher grooming tools. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip for the user, allowing for extended grooming periods without hand fatigue, and the durable bristles are built to last through countless grooming sessions, making it a worthwhile investment for any stable. Number 5. HANDSON Pet Grooming Gloves. Introducing the HANDSON Pet Grooming Gloves, designed for effective shedding, bathing, and hair removal. They provide a gentle yet thorough grooming experience for your beloved pets. These gloves are perfect for dogs, cats, horses, and more. Whether for bathing or massage, their flexible design and gentle bristles ensure comfort for all your pet care needs. Experience the original patented design with soothing rubber nodules that mimic a gentle touch. They are built to handle all pet personalities and withstand active grooming sessions. More than just a hair remover, these gloves stimulate circulation and distribute natural oils. This promotes a healthy skin and coat, keeping your hands clean and protected during grooming. Built to last, these gloves are highly durable for heavy use. Simply rinse them with water or toss them in the washing machine for effortless cleaning. Your pets will love the one-on-one attention. They enjoy the massaging and de-shedding benefits, looking forward to grooming time as a special treat. What we like. If you're looking for a versatile grooming tool that works for multiple pets, this is it. Its patented design and gentle massage nodules make grooming a pleasant experience for both you and your animal. It's perfect for de-shedding, bathing, and even waterless massages, ensuring your pet's coat stays healthy and shiny. What people say. So much hair comes off. I was able to loosen up some matted areas I had never been able to before. The gloves are comfortable, stay on, and it's really easy to remove the hair. Number 4. Chemical Guy's Long Bristle Horsehair Leather Cleaning Brush. Introducing our premium horsehair brush, designed for a gentle yet effective clean. Its soft bristles lift dirt and grime without causing any damage. This versatile tool is safe for all types of leather, including natural, synthetic, and faux finishes. It's perfect for your car's interior, furniture, and even fashion items. The long bristle design allows it to reach into every crease and seam. Achieve a deep and thorough clean every time. Its ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip for better control. Cleaning sessions become easier and more efficient. Pair it with your favorite leather cleaner for maximum cleaning power. It ensures both effective cleaning and surface safety. This brush is not just for cars, it's a multi-surface tool. Use it for automotive, home, office, and fashion leather care applications. What we like. For those who need to meticulously clean delicate surfaces, this brush is an excellent choice. Its natural horsehair bristles are exceptionally gentle, making it safe for all types of leather, from car interiors to fashion items. The long bristles ensure a deep clean, reaching into every crevice for a spotless finish. What people say. It really gets into those fine lines and grooves to remove all of the dirt. Very effective. The bristles were nice and soft, no scratches to the leather but clean nicely. This works well on my sub seats. It gets all the sand and such out of the cracks and does not scratch the seats. Number 3. Dipoo Self-Cleaning Shedding Brush. Tired of pet hair everywhere? Introducing a revolutionary grooming tool designed for ultimate convenience and comfort. Its skin-friendly design ensures a pleasant grooming experience for your beloved pets. Say goodbye to stubborn shedding. Perfect for dogs, cats, and puppies, whether they have long or short hair. It handles all your pet grooming needs. Effectively removes loose hair and undercoat, keeping your home cleaner. Achieve professional grooming results at home. With a simple click, it releases the collected hair, making cleanup a breeze. Spend more time playing and less time cleaning. This grooming tool not only performs exceptionally but also looks stylish in its sleek black finish. What we like. If ease of use and maintenance are your top priorities, consider this self-cleaning brush. It's designed to be gentle on the skin while effectively removing shedding hair from pets with both long and short coats. The self-cleaning mechanism makes post-grooming cleanup a breeze, saving you time and effort. What people say. The bristles are gentle on the skin. My dog usually gets fidgety with other brushes, but he stays relaxed the entire time with this one. The self-cleaning feature is a complete game changer. With just one click, all the fur lifts off the brush in a neat sheet, so cleanup is basically effortless. It also pulls off an amazing amount of loose hair, leaving my dog's coat looking smooth, shiny, and well-groomed. Number 2. Tough One Great Grips Flex Finishing Brush. Introducing the Tough One Great Grips Flex Finishing Brush. Experience unparalleled grooming with its innovative design. Its two flexible joints allow it to perfectly contour to your horse's body and your hand for ultimate control. An adjustable hand strap ensures a comfortable and secure fit, making grooming sessions a breeze. The ergonomic design reduces fatigue, allowing you to groom for longer periods with ease. Available in a stylish light purple color, it combines functionality with aesthetic appeal. Achieve a flawless finish every time with this essential grooming tool. It's designed for both comfort and effectiveness. What we like. This brush is ideal for those who prioritize comfort and control during grooming sessions. The unique design with two flexible joints allows the brush to conform to both the horse's body and your hand, reducing strain. An adjustable hand strap ensures a secure and comfortable grip, making it perfect for extended grooming. What people say. Bristles soft. Hand grip is comfortable. It works great for the dogs as well. It takes old hair and mud right off. The bristles are soft, but have a nice texture to brush nicely. The brush bends nicely to fit my head and the curves of my goats. It seems well made and of good quality. The strap is adjustable with a metal ring to fit any hand. It is not heavy and does not slip while I am using it. Number 1. Oster Equine Care Series Finishing Brush. Introducing the Oster Equine Care Series Finishing Brush. Its soft bristles are designed for a gentle touch. Crafted with natural hog hair, this brush provides effective yet gentle grooming. It's perfect for achieving a polished look. Use this finishing brush to bring out your horse's natural shine. The soft bristles distribute natural oils for a healthy coat. The ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold and maneuver. Achieve professional grooming results with ease. Built to last, this brush is a durable addition to your grooming kit. It will serve you and your equine companion for years to come. Give your horse the perfect finishing touch after bathing or regular grooming. This brush ensures a smooth and radiant appearance. What we like. For a gentle, finishing touch on your horse's coat, this brush is a superb option. Made with soft, natural hog hair, it provides a smooth finish without irritating the skin. Its durable construction ensures it will be a reliable grooming tool for a long time. If you're aiming for a polished look after bathing or de-shedding, this is the brush for you. What people say. Great for my horse's bodies yet soft enough for their faces, and to top it off, they aren't staticky. It clears the dirt and mud from her coat very easily, and it also easily brushes away flakes from her skin between baths. The brush is very comfortable to use, and I haven't really had any problem using the tip of it to brush smaller areas on my dog like her chest and the sides of her neck. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.